Hello everybody, welcome to again in mole concept. So today we will discuss about the problems that will be based on the moles of atoms. Okay, and these problems may be gives us the three relations. You know that 1 mole of atom of an element that is equal to gram atomic mass, okay, and that gram atomic mass of an element is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So this relationship, you know that. Now this equation will give us the three relations. What are three relations? First relation is 1 mole of atoms equals to gram atomic mass. We can say that 1 mole of atom is equal to the gram atomic mass. Okay. Second relation is 1 mole of atoms equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. You know that this value is equal to the 1 mole of atom. Okay. Now, according to these two, we can say the third relation, that is gram atomic mass is equal to the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay, because you can see this relation that 1 mole of atoms of an element equals to gram atomic mass of an element, and that is equal to this value. This is the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So, write these relations. After that I want to solve the numericals based on these relations. Okay. If you have not written, pause the video and write it. So, let us do the numericals which is based on these relations. Two numericals we have done also. Now we can solve the other problems that will be based on these relations. Okay. So, first problem is, we can write the first problem. Okay. So, you can write it, how many moles of, problem first you can write, how many moles of 5 grams of calcium, grams of calcium. Calcium, you know, it will be represented by Ca. So, you can write the Ca or calcium. Calcium you can write, okay. You know the atomic mass of calcium is, you know it, it's 20, okay. Now, atomic number is 20, so atomic mass is 40. So, you can write here atomic mass of Ca equals to 40. Okay, 40 U or 40 gram. Got it? Now, you know the formula. What is the formula? Formula I have told you that given mass upon molar mass. Okay. So, given mass is 5 gram and molar mass is 40 gram. Okay. So, you can write the number of moles. Number of moles, that is denoted by small n. Okay. Then write the formula, given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is represented by small m and molar mass by capital M. Now put the value. What is the given mass? You can write that given mass, that will be 5 gram. Okay. So write it 5 upon 40. Now divide it, you can get 0.125 moles. Okay, so that numerical is complete, or this problem is complete, that will be based on the moles of atoms. Okay, now let us take the second problem. So you can say that 5 gram of calcium constitute 0.125 moles of mole of calcium. Okay, now let us write the second problem. Second problem is, what is the mass of 4 moles of aluminum atoms, of 4 moles of aluminum atoms. What is the mass of 4 moles of aluminum atoms? Okay, you know that 1 mole of aluminum atom is equal to the atomic mass of the aluminum. So you can find out the 1 mole of atoms, and the question is atomic mass. You know the atomic mass of aluminum, it will be given. So it will be given in the question. So atomic mass, you can write atomic mass of aluminum equals to 27 gram. Okay, so that is the atomic mass. Okay, now let us solve this problem. So you know that 1 mole of aluminum atoms equals to 27 gram. Okay, then 4 moles of aluminum atoms contains how many? You know that 4 moles of aluminum atoms contain that 27 into 4. So you can write 27 into 4. How much is that? That is 108 gram. So that 4 moles of aluminum atoms contain 108 grams. Okay. Next problem, calculate the number of atoms in 0.2 mole of sodium. Okay, so we have to calculate the number of atoms, and 0.2 mole of sodium atom is given. You know the molecular, mainly molar mass or molecular mass of sodium atom, that is atomic mass. Atomic mass is 23. Okay, but here there will be no need of atomic mass. So we should, why? The number of atoms we have to calculate. You know that number of atoms are equal to the number of atoms of an element is equal to the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so you can write that 1 mole of sodium atom to Na atom, 1 mole of sodium atom equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay. Now these number of atoms are present in the 1 mole of sodium atom. If 0.2 mole will be there, so it will be multiplied by this number of atoms. So we should write that 0.2 mole of sodium atom equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms into 0.2. Okay, so multiply, it should be multiplied by 0.2. Okay, then we will get the number of atoms which are present in 0.2 mole of sodium atom. So that is 12.044 into 10 to the power 22 atoms. So these are the number of atoms present in 0.2 mole of sodium. Okay, sodium is an element, its symbol is Na, capital N and small a. Okay, now let us write the next problem. Next problem is how many moles are 9.033 into 10 to the power 24 atoms of helium. 10 to the power 24 atoms of helium. You know the symbol of helium is capital H and small e. Okay. Okay. So helium atom in it. So we have to find out the atoms of helium. How many atoms of the helium present into it? So there will be how many moles are there. These are the number of atoms are given. Okay. So you know that number of atoms that I have told you, if you will find out the number of moles equals to what I told you, that given number of atoms upon Avogadro number. Okay, that formula I have told you. Given number of atoms upon Avogadro number or Avogadro constant. Okay, that will be denoted by capital N, and the given number of atoms is denoted by N, and this one capital N 0, and number of moles small n. Okay, so we will put the value of it and write that. What is the given number? 9.033 into 10 to the power 24. So you will put the value over here. Value is 9.033 into 10 to the power 23 upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 equals to the 23 is same. Okay, now we will get the 15 moles. Okay, we can find out also 15 moles we can get. How 15 moles we can get? 1, 2, 3, the same value will be here, you can cut it. Okay, same these are also, yeah, this can also cut. Now 6022 you have and 9033 is with you. You can just divide it. You will write 6022 1103. Okay, now you can divide by, multiply by 5 2 ja 10, then 11, then 1 is there, 6 5 ja 30. Okay, it's not divide, you can you will put the value 0 and it will be completely cut. Okay, so that is 15 moles. 15 moles will come here. Got it? So like that you have to find out. Next problem, will be based by the that formulas are same, that given number, okay, then the given number or that given mass of the given mass divided by molar mass, that we can find out the number of moles, and given number of atoms upon Avogadro number, we can find out the problems, we can find out the number of moles. Okay, so just remember it. Now question number 5, we can solve the fifth problem. Okay, so let us write the next problem, that is the question number 5. Now calculate the number of atoms, you can write calculate the number of atoms in a piece of iron, in a piece of iron, in a piece of iron, you know the symbol of iron, Fe, piece of iron, iron symbol is capital F and small e, okay, weighing 2.8, weighing 2.8 gram. Okay, so you know that atomic mass of iron, that will be given, so it is given in the question, atomic mass of iron Fe equals to 56 G. Okay, so 56 is the atomic mass of Fe. Okay, that you can write in the form of U or G, gram atomic mass, or you can write the U also. Now you know that the 1 mole of iron equals to gram atomic mass of iron, so you can write that 1 mole, answer you can solve this problem, 1 mole of iron equals to gram atomic mass of iron. So what is the gram atomic mass? Gram atomic mass of iron, what is that? That is 56 gram. Okay, so 56 gram is the gram atomic mass of iron. Now 56 of iron contains how many atoms? 56 gram of iron contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So you can write that also. You know that 1 mole of iron element, that will consist 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay, now 56 gram of 56 gram of iron contains, you can write, so 56 gram of iron contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. As you know, that is equal to the 1 mole of iron. Okay, so 2 gram of iron contains how much? As I have told you, what is given? 2.8 gram. Okay, so 2.8 gram of iron contains what is the formula that is given by me? Given mass upon molar mass. Okay, given mass upon molar mass, we should write that, and into that iron contains this type of atoms, so into that 2.8. Okay, so 2.8 gram of atoms contains what they will contain? This one, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 56. Okay, atomic mass is there 56, and that will be multiplied by the 2.8. Okay, so multiply by 2.8. Got it? Now you will get the numbers that are 3.011 into 10 to the power 22 atoms. Okay, so these are the 2.8 gram of iron contains 3.011 into 10 to the power 22 atoms. Got it? So we can say that a piece of iron having the mass of 2.8 grams contains 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. These atoms are of iron. So these atoms of iron are present in that mass of iron, 2.8 gram of iron. Okay. Now next question is there. Let us rub this question first. Okay. So please write this question. Now next question we can write. We can solve these questions that will be based on the mole concept. So these are the main problems which are based on the moles of atoms. Okay, so these all problems are related to the based on that moles of atoms. Okay, now next question, if 1 mole of carbon atom, I think it is present in your book also, 1 mole, you can write 1 mole of carbon, 1 mole of carbon atoms weighs 12 grams. What is mass in grams? 12 grams you can write. Okay. Then what is mass in grams? What is mass in grams? What is mass in grams of 1 atom of carbon? Grams of 1 atom of carbon means 12 gram weights, 12 gram weights contains 1 mole. Okay, now what is the mass of grams in 1 atom of carbon? You know that 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 or 23 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon have that mass, that is given 12 grams. Okay. Now if we want to find out the 1 mole, then what we will do? We will divide 12 by the number of Avogadro numbers mainly, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. Now write it, or you know that 1 mole of atoms of carbon, that is equal to the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay. Now in case of 1 carbon atom contains 12 gram of mass, 12 gram of mass is there. So we can find out that. So you will write it 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. Atoms of carbon have 12 mass, how much mass? 12 grams. 12 grams mass is there. Okay. Now, one atom of carbon, one atom of carbon has mass, one atom of carbon has mass is equals to, how much is there? That will be 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. So, that is 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23. So, you can write here, that is you can write the answer 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 minus 23 gram. Okay, gram. So, that absolute mass of one atom of carbon is equal to the 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Okay. So, that solution is completed. Okay. Now, let us do the next. Okay. So, let us write the next problem. Okay, next problem is, which has more number of atoms? So, you have to find out the number of atoms in each case. After that, you will be ensure that which number of atoms has more in the 2 or 3 cases. Okay. So, you can write that question and solve it. First question is there, no sorry, sixth question is there, which mass has, the question is here, which has more number, which has more number, which has more number of atoms, number of atoms, 100 gram of sodium, 100 gram of sodium, okay, 100 gram of sodium or 100 gram of iron, or 100 gram of iron. Iron has Fe, capital F and small e, and so symbol of sodium is capital N and small a. So, this is the symbol of sodium. Now, atomic mass of sodium, you know that it will be given in the question. So, you can write that atomic mass of sodium, atomic mass is generally double, or if it will be not double, that some rare cases will be there, that is aluminum 27 gram, and sodium, its atomic mass of sodium it's 23 U. Okay, and atomic mass of zinc, that is 65, atomic mass of chlorine, that is 35.5. So, some variable cases will be there, otherwise most probably it is the double of atomic number. Okay. Atomic mass of sodium 23, and next given is atomic mass of iron equals to 56 U. Got it? So, these are the atomic masses of these two elements. Okay. Now, you know that moles of sodium, how you will find out? You can find out the moles of sodium. Moles of sodium equals to mass of sodium upon molar mass. I have told you, given mass upon molar mass. So, moles of sodium means number of moles n, and small m upon capital M. Molar mass is given, that will be 100, sorry, given mass is 100 and molar mass of sodium is 23. So, just you can write 23 and you will get the answer 4.34. Okay. Now, second, this is the first case. In second case, you will find out moles of iron, moles of iron, that is also the same formula, given mass upon molar mass equals to given mass is 100 and molar mass of iron is 56. You can write 56, find out it, you have got 1.78. Okay. So, which has more number, got it? You know that if, the mass of the substance is same, that is 100 gram, but we have seen that in case of sodium it is 4.34. So, the number of moles are more here. In case of iron it is less, got it? So, you can find out easily with the help of this type of problems. In this case you will find out that which has more moles, which has more number of atoms. So, more number of atoms are present in the sodium atom. You can write that more number of atoms are present in the sodium atoms. Okay. In 100 grams it more is present here as in case of the sodium 4.34, but in case of iron it will be 1.78. So, you can write sodium has more number of atoms, more number of atoms. Okay. So, like that you can solve these problems. Have any problem in the numericals or the problems which we have discussed today, so you can write down these problems or these queries in your rough notebook and we can discuss it later on. Okay. With this I would like to say thank you and have a nice day.